I have made a handful of Skip the Dishes videos, and for the most part, I've talked about how they do pay me more, or how I love single orders instead of double stacks comparison to Uber Eats. But there's one thing I don't talk about because it's the biggest pain point, but I gotta teach people how to do it, and that's canceling an order with Skip the Dishes after you have accepted it. So the way how you're gonna do so is by following me in the application, and then you'll be all set up for future references. So I had this Amir order, and I have screenshots to show you. With this Amir order, I wanted to show how can I cancel it. So the first thing I did is I clicked the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you do that, it gives you the option of pausing or ending your shift early. So that's not going to help me because that's not what I want to do. And down below, you have your time with the directions, you have the note from the restaurant, and you have the prepaid. And when you open up the prepaid, all it does is give you the client information for the order. There's no option to cancel it there. Now, if you want to cancel your order with Skip the Dishes, you do got to do a runaround because you actually have to contact support. And why does Skip the Dishes make you do this? It's beyond me, but they do make you do that. So what you have to do on the order is click the question mark on the top right hand corner next to the three lines, and you'll get the how can we help you. From the how can we help you, go straight down to the bottom to go to message center. And from there, you're going to click on a live support chat, and you're going to click start chat. For some reason, Skip the Dishes likes to annoy everybody by making you wait for somebody to come onto the chat for you to justify and cancel your order. Skip, you gotta get this built into the app. You're way behind on the game here, and everybody else is ahead of the steps. Now with Skip the Dishes, the chat person will tell you that by doing so, you're gonna be impacted on your cancellation rate, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter, you can go ahead and cancel your order just like I have several times. My least amount of deliveries is with Skip the Dishes, but my most amount of cancellations is with them. Also, a side note that I've seen with this application is it will glitch and freeze when you're contacting support. If that's the case scenario, I'm sorry to say, you gotta close the app and reopen it each time after you're done your chat session and getting it canceled, uninstall and reinstall the app, because the Skip the Dishes app is not exactly the most user-friendly, but at least now you know how to cancel an order.